Good morning, dear. How are you all? How is the weather today? Is it cold? How about your family? Do you safe? Feeling good? Okay. As you know, we are going through the situation of difficult situation. This COVID is increasing day by day. So difficult for go to school and learn. Today I am going to introduce a new chapter, chapter 3, more on MS Word 2010. So today we have the IT class in your home itself. It is a practical section. So we have just listen to me and do what I am doing in the computer. So all of you sit in front of the computer and listen to me what I am doing, and you have to repeat the same thing in your house with help of your computer. Now let's move to the third chapter, more in Excel. More in Excel. MS Excel provides a host of features in addition to creation of worksheet and performing calculation. You can use MS Excel to sort data, filter data, create graphical representation is called charts. More in Excel. MS Excel provides a host of features in addition to creation of worksheet and performing calculation. Okay, you can use MS Excel, sort data, filter data, create graphical representation called charts. What is MS Excel? MS Excel hosts of features in addition of creation of worksheet and performing calculation. What is the use of MS Excel? To sort data, filter data, create graphical representation called charts. Next, sorting data. What do you mean by sorting data? Sorting data means arranging the data in ascending or descending order for easy analysis. Excel has built-in features to sort data. In both cases, Excel first sort numbers, then letters, followed by blank cell. See? What do you mean by sorting data? Sorting data means arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Now, how to sort data in Excel? How to sort data in Excel? See, first create a worksheet in Excel. See, this is a Excel sheet. Create a worksheet. Create a popular Indian team Batman. See, popular Indian man Batman worksheet. Create this one. Then follows the steps. Home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formula, data, review, view. These all are the tabs. First click on the data tab. Then select popular Indian team Batman worksheet. Select this worksheet. Then click data tab. Then that time see connections, refresh all, A to Z sort, filter. See, all of you see this sort and filter, connection, these all things. Click this sort. That time show one dialog box. Sort, add level, delete level, copy level option. Then column sorting option. Sort by column A. Which column is sorted? Column A, column B, column C, column D, column E. See here values, cell color, font color, cell icon. Then next order, A to Z order, descending order or ascending order. Which order you are sorting? See, these all are the column. Column A, column B, column C, column D and column E. All of you see this? First step, click on the data tab. Second step, click on the sort option in the sort and filter group to open the sort dialog box. Third step, by default the My Data has headers option is checked. Click here if this option is unchecked. Then fourth step, click here to open the drop down menu of fields on the basis of which you want to sort the list. Let us select the highest score to sort on this field. Fourth step, click here to open the drop down menu of fields on the basis of which you want to sort the list. Let us select the highest score to sort on this field. Highest score, sort on this field. Click data, then sort. First select the highest score. Select the highest score. See, select the highest score. See this one, continue with current section and sort. See this dialog box, sorted by highest score. Sorted by highest score, values smallest to largest. Fifth step, click here to open the drop down menu to choose ascending or descending order for the list. Let us select the largest to smallest option. Largest to smallest option. Here highest score 183, 13 to 1219, 150, 200, 79 and orders. All of you see this order. 183, 13, 219, 150, 200, 79, 79, 139, 183 and 116. Name Arun, Sanju, Shibu, Varun, all of you see these names. Then smallest, select largest to smallest order. Select largest to smallest order. Click here, fifth step, click here to open drop down menu to choose ascending or descending order for the list. Let us select largest to smallest option. Then click OK button. See, changes. Largest number 219, next 200, 183, 183, 150, 139. All of you see these changes. Largest to smallest. Next, see this smallest to largest. Next selection, smallest to largest. See these changes. 13, 79, 79, 116, 139, 150. See, smallest to largest. To sort data. Sort data. The sorted list will look similar to see this Arun, Sanju, Shibu, Varun, all of you see this 219, 200, all of you see this worksheet. Then you will notice that first name Arun, last name Appu. All of you notice that first name Arun and last name Appu. Top name Arun and bottom name Appu. See, note that Excel has not sorted only the highest score column, but all the data in other column has also changed corresponding to the highest score column. So this data other than highest score is not in any order. Click on the Add Level button in the Sort dialog box to add more fields for sorting. Click on the Add Level button in the Sort dialog box to add more fields for sorting. Click on Add Level button. See, then by then by average. Second step, this will add the then by row just below the sort by row. Then by row just below the sort by row. Then third step, from the drop down list, first choose average for column and then smallest to largest. Third step, from the drop down list, first choose average. See, average row, average, then values smallest to largest order, smallest to largest order, average smallest to largest order. See, 52.32, 6.53, 35.05, 39.68, 44.83, 28.36, 31.86, 36.98. See this, then click OK button. Click OK button. See these changes, average, smallest to largest, 6.53, 28.36. See, smallest number to largest number, 52.43, largest number 52.43. Okay. Next, filtering data. A filter is an object that separates a things that cannot pass through it from the things that passes through it. The filter feature of Excel separates the information as required from the given set of list. See, click on the data tab. That time see this filter option and click on the filter option in the sort and filter group. Click on the filter option. See, drop down arrow are added in front of the heading of all the selected column. This Excel sheet selected for highest score and average. See this difference, to drop down arrow is coming. Click on the drop down arrow present on the column heading. See, present on the column heading. Sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smaller, sort by color. See this highest score, all numbers 13, 79, 116, 139. See all these. By default, all the highest score options in the filter drop down menu are checked. That is, there is a tick in all the boxes. Untick all the boxes except, see this, select all, untick 13, 79, 16, untick these things, a drop down menu open, click OK, click on OK. See difference, see this difference. Okay, all of you see this difference. Okay, first of all you have to read your textbook 3 times, then you have to repeat what we have did at the first section, that is a practical section that we did at the first. Then if you have any doubts of queries, you could just contact your computer teacher in WhatsApp or just text message. Okay, so now we will conclude the section. Before or that, I will give you a worksheet based on the lesson which we are did today. So all of you take out your book with written questions. Answer these questions. How is filtering of data different from sorting of data? How is filtering of data different from sorting of data? Next question. Write the steps to show simple filtering of data. I think all of you understood this more on MS Excel. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.